All right. Okay. So today is March 12th, 2024. Going over going over yesterday's price action. So yesterday the market opened up somewhere around here, well, right there, midday. I took one trade yesterday. Um, I didn't take this trade here. We did have aggressive buying coming in. We did come back and retest that aggressive buying. I didn't take a trade there because this was a strong selling volume right here on the 15 minute and some form of resistance. So yes, it would have been a nice quick scalp up for like probably 10 or 12 points. Um, but I wasn't interested in that because I felt that there was a bigger move to the downside, right? So we have news coming out, Jolts at 10 o'clock. So I was waiting just for to see what Jolts do. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I like the sell off here. That's okay. Maybe we're finally starting to want to show signs of selling. We're below the EMAs. I would like to see some black clouds or the EMAs form and price come up and, retest. I mark this level here. Um, from the absorptions. Price comes up there. I enter a trade right there, aiming for the lows down there. Um, Price starts to really gravitate towards my level, but pauses right about there. Right, it pauses close to hitting my level. I'm ready to hit the exit button. I have removed my stop loss to break even. I'm already up about 40 points, so 18. Yeah, is that 56, 18, 55? So yeah, so that's 11. So I'm already up about 40 points. I do get out with like 22 points or something like that. Price starts to pull back and then it stops me out right there. I was hoping that would have nudged that little bit right there, but price returns back to the area where it sold off at on the 1 minute right there. It held. I thought about entering right there, running this little bad boy right back down. Cause we came back to where there was buying, as you can see, that failed. Came back, retested those areas, and then boom, we finally go to my level, and then destroy it. Then we got a reversal. We can see that we have a nice reversal here, a buying that came in, push price up. There's no buying volume, but there's buying volume somewhere around here. This is buying, and then we have the buying candle. Price comes up. We got the RSIs, gives you something to enter on the waiting for this to turn 5. Waiting for the 5 minute. I did take this on the 1 minute because there was some news. So waiting for the 5 minute. Boom. We have an entry, possible entry right here. Ready to go. Boom. Enter right there. Right. I would enter there. Stop loss right about here. So about 12-point stop loss. Aiming for this area here or even this red one. Price goes where now? Has another pullback. Boom. It hits that level and then retires right back down to where we were at. And then after that, end of the day, price just continued dropping for quite a bit before it reclaimed the lows. And there we have the possible entry is being there. Boom, boom, and then going, right? Buyers come in, hold the RSIs. Do we have two RSIs? We do. Boom, right? Hold these levels. Possible entry on this candle close. Let's go back to that candle. All right, this candle closes with a nice little pull. We can see that price pulls right back up, right? And look like we're going to close positive, right? With buying volume, right? Close with buying volume. Enter there at 2 o'clock. Stop loss either below it or way down here. But since it's very far, probably right there below it for about maybe 10 points. Aiming for back to these highs up. Hopefully price can clear. Do we have a? We don't have a selling there. I don't see anything here that matches ES, which is good. So price just buy selling there, here, on the 5 minute. Then maybe price will go up. So and we have buying volume, buying. All right, let's ride this bad boy out. Let's see what happens. There we go. Price is going. And that would have been a nice trade. Not done yet. Boom. That's why I would have exit. Right there. Probably even more because I don't really have. These levels are old. But this is a selling area. So maybe that would have been a nice exit because of this level here. But I would have like to see price go to the unknown. But since NQ is here, might as well just exit the trade because we may go short. But this would have been a very good reversal trade from 560 all the way back up almost 100 points. And then that would have been it right there. See, it barely touched that reversal thing, and then it reversed back down. So that's it for that. Let's get into today's market. I didn't do anything the night before. I was a little tired. But this is looking like a reversal candle on a daily. Now this is definitely an absorption candle. This is also looking like a reversal candle. We may come back and retest. That's what I'm thinking before going, based on what the daily is giving me. So let's go to the 30-minute chart and let's clear up as much as we can. Looks like we have some news maybe. Yeah, we have 8:30 jobless claims with 8:30 PPI. So this is news right here. So let's do some clearing up of all of this. None of this matters. Obviously, we like last week's lows because we have been hanging around them quite a bit. We broke this entire thing here. I don't really have anything after this since we broke that. That's a 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Let's see what it looks like. All right, we're still holding on to it as in a sense, but this is pretty much broken. I don't think I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of it. I'm gonna work with what I have as far as whatchamacallit. So we did, I believe we hit the 10% mark. Let's go to default. Yeah, we hit the 10% mark. Boom, that's what we bounced off of very cleanly, right? So that's what we bounced off of very cleanly. We hit that 10% mark. So that's what's causing some of the bounce, because maybe there's buyers there. As you can see, price came down and then it had a straight reversal, but this was not an absorption on the 1 hour, so there might still be some more downside potential, which is what we're going to look for. Let's move these forward. Move this forward. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking for some more downside potential. Especially you still have some selling pressure here on the 1 hour, but we'll see. Right now I'm just clearing up the charts to prepare for the trading day. We look like we held this area very nicely. All of this can go. None of this is any more relevant. We're still holding that weekly low. Seem like we're in love with it. Alright, boom, bam. Alright, boom, and then VIX. Alright, VIX is showing us that it wants to move back lower. All of this can go. VIX is a special case. Maybe I could have left that up there, but this is an area that price might bounce off of. Alright, so let's go first daily. So we can see that first daily goes, we did hit 14. Okay, we did hit the 10% low. I think that we're still on a downtrend. We may push up, but I think we're going to continue lower. At least come back down here, especially for NQ. Kind of like this candle here. You see how we have that? We'll come back, trying to retest some of that level before moving up, potentially on a buy side like this. So we have, okay, prices reversing, boom, come up, may come back down again like that, and then move up. So those wicks usually mean that something is down there that we probably left behind, and we need to reinvestigate. We also have a bottom RSI, so maybe this is the potential reversal, but I don't see anything there telling us that. Alright, oh, we got an absorption, so that's something that's telling us that. So we got an absorption at the 10%. This is definitely absorption right here. I am going to mark that. Still have that strong selling area right here. So let's mark this 4-hour absorption. Since we cleared the top part, I'm not going to too much worry about the top part. I'm going to focus on the bottom part, but I'm still going to mark the entire candle. And then I'm going to mark from here for our abs. Mark it there for our abs, and then we're gonna mark down here as the beginning of it. Right, I don't know, it's only something that just makes it stick out. Right. Mark that like that. Bam, right? So that area there is the area where things are possibly going to happen. This one doesn't have anything there, but we do have this RSI, and that coincides, but we kind of cleared it, so there's that. Alright, so we hit this level here. Looks like NQ and ES are reacting to them. I don't have anything here for VIX. Let's go to the 1 hour. Zoom out. Alright, nothing there, nothing here that matches. We do have, nope, nothing there. Thought we did. Alright. RSI's right here. You can see price reclaim that level. Probably could have marked here at the bottom. Price reclaimed that level and went up. Right? Price held that level. Price held above it. So it was a lot. So just watching. Okay, we got something that matches. Oh, we got hammer candles. Boom. All right, let's enter. Right? Something as simple as that. You know, without overcomplicating it is what I'm continuously trying to work on. All right, so I don't have anything that matches here. We've got the 4 hours being held, but other than that, nothing. Let's go to the, we did the 1 hour. Let's go to the 30-minute. Nothing on the 30-minute. All right, so no RSIs and strong volumes matching. We do have this. Nope. Yeah, we just kind of have this, but I don't know. I prefer NQ and ES to match versus VIX and ES to match, because NQ and ES then VIX also I do get a nice, you know, because VIX is kind of does its own thing, but when they do match it feels good. But I don't want to confuse myself with this one, but I might mark it. Let's do that. Let's mark the area to see if there's anything there worth noting. That's pretty much it. Alright, VIX, ES, NQ doesn't have anything, so I'm going to make something that just says for me to just remember. Boom, like that. Like this is kind of its own thing. I don't have anything yet for the lower time frame. I'm going to get rid of VIX now, so I can make these bigger, and I can actually see them a little clearer because it's starting to get congested. And let's go over here and just work on VIX from over there and put that one on 15. Alright. Alright, so ES still nothing there, nothing inside of this thing here. We have a buying here that doesn't match. We have absorption here that does match, but we cleared. And then we have all of that there. And then we have some, you know, still developing. On VIX, we got RSI right here. No RSI, but it's an area where price bounced. This is where we came out of. We have selling, selling, kind of matching up though. Selling, selling again, selling again. Kind of matching up though. Maybe something to respect. Let's draw the line. Maybe it's something to respect. Alright, maybe. Perhaps. Maybe. All right. 15 minute, 5 minute. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. Since we're mostly working with just this area here, let's zoom out and then we're gonna look at it together. This area starting about here to here, right? All right. Nothing on. Okay. I am gonna mark. Don't really want to mark this because we have more below it, right? I'll mark it anyways because, well, this one is an RSI area where price came out of. All right, so this is a 5-minute RSI area. Mark it like that. Five-minute RSI. Bottom on both ES and NQ. Alright, that was kind of tight, so maybe that'll work. 5-minute RSI bottom. And then VIX doesn't have anything, so oh wait, I didn't do 5-minute on VIX. Alright. Still VIX doesn't have anything there. Okay. And VIX doesn't have anything there that matches. Alright, so let's scroll on through. Okay, we have this selling here, but we're above it. What this buying here meant, but we're above it. Let's just mark to see what price is doing above it. Did price break out with volume? We still have a lot of stuff above. This doesn't match. Let's zoom out. See that? Oh. Yeah, that's been destroyed. Alright. Alright, so this area to this area. So here, that's the end day. We have absorption. Yeah, so this area to that area is going to be an interesting area because we did kind of hold all of that. And that's where that absorption level starts. That the body, right? The body's like something like here or something like that, right? So I think I'm gonna mark this because we have a lot going on here. And then we have buying out of it. Oh, this is tricky. Alright, so not quite sure what to do with this. Mark it like that. It looks like got a little pullback back into this. Alright, that one matches. This one matches. We broke out of it. We retested it. We haven't retested the bottom part. Alright, so I'm going to keep the bottom part. We got absorption. We cleared that. Alright, so let's do this like that. I'm just going to name it 5-minute. 5-minute fail sell. Do the same thing there. 5-minute failed to sell. And I'm almost done, which is a good thing. I'm going to mark that from these lows here. Alright, this is before we had a 4-hour app, so apparently we came close to it. This one actually touched it. Do we have that for? We do have that similar for VIX. This would be something like that. Alright, so that's gonna be it's gonna be 5-minute failed buy. Alright. Alright, so the 5-minute failed buy. Okay. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at what we got here. We got some RSIs that build up on all of them. Alright, back to that 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. So it's above it is where the body came. So we're gonna mark this like I think this is good. That, and then we'll do the same thing with this one, starting from where it's at here, where it peaks, and then matches off, and then rolls out. That, all right. So, and then we're gonna have the same thing there with this, with VIX. All right, so this one starts a little late, but I'm gonna mark it like this, and bring it out. That, I think that's pretty good. May even consider that. So let's make this a little lower. Whatever this price is, we'll go to it. 2403. That, and then we're gonna label this as RSI selling. 5-minute RSI selling. Alright, and then it's gonna be 5-minute RSI buying. Alright, and then same thing here. And then once again, I don't have to take anything that doesn't make sense. Alright, so now that we have that, alright, I do want to make sure I still have this here, because last time the bulk of the area came from the 1 minute. Alright, so what I really want to do quickly is just look for any EODs. Strong selling here. I'm just gonna mark it like that, nothing there. Got an EOD here, strong selling here. Then it disperses, right? It kind of just goes away. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute. Strong selling right here. That's what that I think was. Strong selling right here. So we're gonna mark that one. Alright. That is definitely our EOD. And we're above it. And I don't think we ever tested it. Oh, that could just be wrong. Alright. Alright, so what do we have in this that seems like it's a good thing? That matches. Alright, because this is a strong candle area. We got this right here. We got these right here. These been clear. I like this one right here. I like this buying. So let's bring that out. Matches right here. And then we'll see if it matches on NQ, on NQ, on VIX. All right, this is where we got buying at, right? So this is going to be a prominent area. We kind of cleared that because we did go all the way above, but I don't think we ever came back and really did anything at that area. Let's go to the 1 minute on. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, absorption. So no, I'm not getting anything from VIX. All right, so now that we got everything kind of settled out, it's gonna zoom back out again. We're gonna erase this. I want to go to the 4 hour. The 4 hours where I got that thing from, right? All right. Oh, that's actually pretty damn good. All right, so the 4 hours where I got that thing from. I would like to see price come back down to this EOD. This can go. Any vertical lines can go. This can go. Vertical squares can go. This can go, whatever that is. Alright, so we're kind of dealing with whatever that is. We have rectangle probably 19. These can go. This like us want to fight, but it can go still. Got this here. Alright, so definitely would like to see price come back down and retest this. I didn't really get anything down here at the bottom, so I'm going to remove the 4 minute abs, 5 minute bottoms. That's fine. This is fine. Probably the RSI is all I got. Alright, this can go, this can go, this can go. See, so basically it's that. So I like to see some of this broken. This is my, go back to the 1 minute. I'm going to market the whole thing, but I think that because we have this strong buying here, that this one here might not be even needed, because we're kind of holding it. Actually, we did retest it apparently. All right, let's go to the 5 minute. We we did hold that, came back down, and then 3 o'clock in the morning moved up, and then did the same thing here, hold it, came back down, 3 o'clock in the morning, moved up. So this was a strong level right here. This let's just mark it on the 1 minute. Let's just go back on the 1 minute. Mark it. I did not mark my highs and my lows. I did not mark my highs and my lows. Alright, how far off am I with this time? 28 minutes? Damn. It took a lot longer than I thought. I guess because I didn't mark a lot of these things. Probably should have done it the night before. I want to log off a little bit over in time, and I want to respect the fact that I told myself I only want to make this for 20 minutes. So we got the highs. This was the high, and then we got the low, and then same thing here, the actual high. I have to make sure I eat something. Got the low, and then let's do it on VIX, settlement price, and then calling it. VIX is below its low. That's saying something. Got the high, All right, and then let's do settlement prices. This is in queue. And that'll be it. Whoa, that level is going to be very important, it seems like. I definitely would like to see prices come down to these areas. If this is what we have as far as volume wise, I think that's probably my best area for an entry. Settlement price is just there. So this area here is on fire. We bounce off of that. I'm taking it back up until it fails. So that's it for today. Be back in the evening. 30 minutes it is. All right. Bye.